Unlocking the basics. Put away equipment, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase that you might come across in everyday English. Put away equipment. Understanding this phrase is essential, not just in understanding English, but also in applying it in real-life situations. So, let's break it down together. First things first, let's look at what put away means. To put away, something means to return it to its proper place after using it. This can apply to anything from your shoes to your books. It's all about keeping things organized and tidy by placing them where they belong. Now, let's talk about equipment. Equipment refers to the necessary items for a particular purpose. This could be anything from sports gear to musical instruments, or even tools used for work. It's a broad term that encompasses all sorts of items that help you perform tasks or activities. When we combine the two, put away equipment means taking whatever tools, instruments, or gear you've been using and placing them back in their designated spots. It's a phrase that emphasizes responsibility and organization. Whether you're at home, school, or work, being able to put away equipment is a valuable habit that helps maintain order and efficiency. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. After a game of basketball, putting the balls back in their storage room is how you put away equipment. In a music class, once you're done with the instruments, you put them away in their cases or on their stands. If you're working on a construction site, putting away equipment might mean returning tools to their boxes or racks. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, highlighting its versatility and utility. And that's a wrap on put away equipment. We hope this video has shed some light on this practical phrase and inspired you to apply it in your daily life. Keeping things organized by putting them away correctly is a small but powerful habit. Remember, learning English is not just about words. It's about connecting those words to actions. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.